Hey, how's it going? I'm Rafa, and this is my podcast or my YouTube channel, Riffing with Rafe. Today, I want to explain my hypothesis or theory or whatever you want to call it on the devil's slit experiment and why it's a flawed experiment and why we can't seem to come to understanding. So, this is a dog toy, and so I drew on it. To me, the dots on here, the nodes represent electrons, the space in between. So, electrons are electromagnetic by nature, and so they want to be drawn together. And so, because the universe is electrical, it's like there are these connections from electrons to electrons. Uh, so it and it's held within like a double helix shape like this. Like all electrons are held together like that in a connected network. And so if you had a double helix electron um, figure, basically, it can move forward and back, up and down. It can rotate to my right, rotate to my left. And so that fundamentally means it's um, moving across four axes um, of basically perpendicularity. And so the problem is that as far as being able to do the slit experiment, we're trying to pin something down that's potentially rotating and moving in four axes, which is known as a gyroscope. We're trying to pin it down onto a 3D plane, and so that's why we can't understand it. So you can see when it goes, let's say it goes through like this, and like this is where the screen is. You might get the part that was just the electrical connection that went through the screen, or you might actually nail one of the electrons, which is awesome. And that's what explains the bars and the variation between the bars. This is my theory of the fabric of the universe. Grace and peace. It's Rafa.